Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim if you're new here, and today in this video I'm going to be sorting through my fridge, cleaning it out and having a look at the dates on the jars, etc. to check what I need to get rid of. And this is a day I've been dreading. So let's crack on. So I'm going to sort of go through salad cream, that's okay. Sweet chilli sauce, 8 weeks. I think I've had that in there longer than that. Is it going to go off? This is the thing. Will it go off? I'm going to keep it for a while. Because it's got, I bet it's got vinegar in it. Yeah, it's got vinegar in. What's going to go wrong with that? I like this Heinz light mayonnaise. The reason I like this is because when you open it, I don't know if I've said before, best before, you don't have to use it like within 8 weeks of opening. So I tend to stick with the Heinz light mayo. Start in the cupboards. Basically, has this one been opened? I am not sure. No, that's not been opened. That one out of date in August 2025. This one, sweet and sour sauce. Best before end. This doesn't go out of date until 2027. Oyster sauce. Best before 2028. This is the Lee Kum Key again. Doesn't say you've got to use it once opened by a certain day. Lemon and lime juice. I mean, best before NC cap. You're supposed to use it within 6 weeks. I'm going to go by smell. That smells okay. What's the best before date on here? Oh, 2025, 2023. We'll get rid of those, shall we? Hot honey dressing. March 2026. Haven't opened it yet, so we'll keep that. Perinaise. This has been opened. Used within 3 months. Don't know when actually I did open that. We'll get rid of it. Branston Rich and Fruity. I'm going to keep that. Right. Let's start at the very bottom. There is nothing there. Mango chutney. Oh no. I don't think it's mouldy. 2026, we'll keep that. Cherries. We've only just opened those really, so we'll keep them. Sliced jalapenos. March 2026. Used within 4 weeks. Has it got vinegar in it? It's got vinegar in. Not gonna get rid. My eater. It's not been opened. Best before date. 2025. We'll get rid of that one. Another mango chutney. That's not been opened. 2027. Onions, pickles, get rid of those because I know I've got a new one in here somewhere. Jam, that's okay. Lemon curd, probably get rid of that. Seafood sauce. God, dragging the bottoms now. March 2025, we'll get rid of that. Sweet pickle, let me just open that. Sweet drop peppers. 2027. Consume within 2 weeks. Has it got vinegar on it? I'll get rid. Red currant jelly. 2025. Old El Paso. Mild. Not been opened. 2024. Perfect. Roundy butter. Let's get rid of that, shall we? Satay sauce. Used within 4 weeks. That's great, isn't it? Tartar sauce. What's the date on that one? 2025. We'll get rid of that. Right. I believe that's everything that needs to go. So, I'm going to get rid of this lot, and then we're going to clean it out just to make sure that I haven't left anything behind. So we'll start at the top. Oh, ow. What was that? Because I want to rearrange a bit. Right, do you want to come with me? So this is the state of the top of the fridge. Let's show you. Let's get it cleaned. All the exciting things. That's the top shelf cleaned. Right, so, oh, sorry, dropped you. I'm very sorry. Very sorry, now your legs are too wide. Oh dear. Parmesan. In here are some Big Mac sauce pots. These are dated the 24th of March this year. If you don't know, well, you probably wouldn't know. I work for McDonald's and I bought those before they what's my words? I've lost my words. Before when they first came out, and I recreated at home our own Big Macs. So the thought process is to probably do that again. So this is what this shelf looks like. Let's give it a clean and I'll come back to you. Right, there is that one. Oh, can you see cleaned out? Right, so I am gonna rearrange. I've got some wine here that can go up there. I want to put the fizz, so I've got a bottle of Asti left over from Christmas and some crumble left over from Christmas, but that'll all need cleaning out as well. Right, so I don't know if I showed you. My brother's shelf is here with all his bits on. This is one of our shelves. Another one of our shelves all tidied out. I'm going to tackle this one. I'm going to put the blueberries up here actually. Right, so now that's that fridge, that drawer for cleaned out. We've also got these to go and tidy up here. So just gonna wipe this rack now. Right, cheese drawer, more or less clean. There we go. So that's that bit done. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one now. Right, let's get this one back in. So there we go, all clean. Tackle this one. Can you see? Minging. Right, so there is that one done. So that's all clean apart from the bottom bit. Let's dry this one off. So, what is that, full bowl? No, that's not a full bowl. Is there anything in it? Yeah, there is. So this one to go, and then the drawers to tackle. I don't like doing the drawers. Right, so there we go. Neatly organised, all cleaned. Are you ready for this job now? Oh. I've been doing this for 44 minutes, in case you didn't know. I know everything's all right in here because I checked it beforehand. Right, I'll get rid of that. Let's give this a wash out. I'll probably be totally blonde about this, but surely this bit must come off somehow. What's that there? Is that? No, it's just a drain hole. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. So I'll tell you, it's minging in there. I'm never going to get that clean. Right. That's as best I can do. Right, let's get in here. Sorry, there's lots of kitchen roll everywhere. You might be on a bit of a wonk. I'll just lean like that. Right. That is that. Right, so this is my raw meat drawer. So what I like to do is lay some kitchen roll in the bottom. That's that one done. Right, next. Oh dear. Veg drawer. Right. Minging. Okay. Minging. We'll get round to that in a minute. Right, follow me. Yeah, look, dirty. Right, there we go. Next drawer ready to go back in. There's that one. And still got some schmuck on it. There he is, done. Give this a grim tidy out, wipe out first. Right, it's looking a bit better in there. So I've been going for an hour and 5 minutes cleaning out this fridge. It's disgusting, isn't it? But that was going through it all, getting rid of the old the jars and that were out of date. Right, there is that, looking better. Right. Done. Let's load that one back up. So in here we've got the onions, potatoes and the carrots. Now don't worry if you think, oh, there's not a lot of veg in that fridge. I am going shopping tomorrow. So there we go, a nicely organised, tidy, out of date, gotten rid of fridge. So all together, that's just the fridge, bear in mind. We haven't reorganised the freezer side of it yet because I want to organise that. I sorted my brother's shelves out the other day and washed those out. But hour and 11 minutes, that's going through that fridge. I I am pleased that I've done it, even though I wasn't looking forward to it. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, it's free to do so. I am what I am. What you see is what you get. Thanks for watching. And I will see you on the next one. Like, comment if you know about those fridge things, if I can pop them off. I don't want to pop them off because I don't want to be not able to get them back on. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.